this is the handprint Christmas tree craft. This craft makes a perfect Christmas decoration. It's really fun that it can stand up on its own, which makes it great to sit on a shelf or table. You'll start by taking the template and cutting out the pieces from the template. For this one, there's just two pieces. You'll have the Christmas tree base and the trunk, and then you'll trace them onto the corresponding paper, which for this one is onto the craft paper. Just make sure you do it towards the edge so you have room for both. And it's a nice thick craft paper, which will make it really sturdy. And you'll cut those out. And once you have those cut out, then you'll trace your hand on the green paper. You want to make sure you do it close to the edge so that you can fit as many as possible. And then if you just cut out that first hand, then you can use that one to trace all the others. And I got 8 handprints out of this green paper. So you'll trace that. Try to get about 8 out of there. And then once you have them all traced, you can go ahead and cut them out. This is the part that takes the longest, just making sure you get them all traced and cut out. But then as soon as you have that done, then you can go ahead and take the trunk and you'll roll it up and use tape to tape that, and then you'll cut a slit on both sides going about halfway down, and then you can put the base of the tree into there. You can also use tape on the back of it to hold it in if you'd like. And then you're going to start gluing the handprints onto the base of the tree. So I did 4 across, and if you want to put them in front of the trunk, it looks like the tree branches are hanging down over it. You could do it however you'd like. So I did 4 across, and then the next layer I did 3, and then the top just 1. So you'll use a glue stick to glue all those in layers, and you can have it hanging off the edge a little bit if you'd like. And then once you have all those glued on, you can stick on the star and then trim it however you'd like, or you can leave it how it is. And then you can take Elmer's glue and glue on all of the pom-poms to the tree, and just glue them on wherever you'd like. You can spread them out a bit. There's plenty that you can put on there. Then once you have those, you can put some Elmer's glue on the base of the trunk and glue it to the plate. If you let the pom-poms dry a little bit, then they won't fall off. And then also, to get it to stay to the plate, I ended up using some tape on the back of the trunk. See, my pom-poms kept falling off because I didn't let them dry a little bit. So if you let them dry, then you won't have that problem. And then I ended up just using a little bit of tape on the back of the tree trunk to glue or to tape it to the plate, and that worked really well. And then once you have that secured, then you'll take your ribbon and then you'll just place it around the base of the tree. And you can kind of thread it through the tree branches, and then you'll have the opening of the ribbon in the back. And then you can just secure the ribbon to itself in the back so that it's closed, and then you're all done.